am in complete crisis. Julie's making an involtini too, and I'm worried that I'm going to be compared to her.
Involtini's an Italian dish, and I'm Italian, so I'm really not worried.
Just one burner, one pan, and one chicken.
Those who make the best chicken dishes will earn a spot in the MasterChef Canada kitchen. The rest will be sent home.
This challenge is pretty intimidating. Like, I got nothing to work with.
The hell? It's a stress test, and I'm stressed.
Having 26 home cooks butchering chickens at the same time is nerve-wracking. Chicken parts are flying everywhere.
The biggest mistake they can make is trying to cook a whole breast or a whole leg on the bone. It's going to take too long. 100%.
I'm making a pan-roasted chicken with a lemon and wine sauce. My biggest fear today is that my chicken will be completely and utterly undercooked.
I'm doing a Southwestern-inspired spiced seared chicken breast and, with a little crispy chicken skin that I will attempt.
I'm making pan-seared involtini. I'm also serving it with some mixed greens.
I am making a chicken madras with a cucumber raita and roti. I'm a little bit worried about time.
You have 30 minutes to go!
Come on!
Feeling the pressure for sure.
What's happening here, Eric? This is all you? This whole mess is you?
Yes, Chef.
Wow.
I'm not used to working in such a small space. It's pretty disastrous, my station.
I'm kneading my dough for my ravioli right now. I'm making a chicken ravioli with herb cream sauce.
Okay.
We make homemade ravioli. Yeah.
Smart.
Yeah.
It'll take a lot of time, though.
I know, Chef.
Julie, how are you dealing with the time pressure?
I cook at home. Within half an hour, I have dinner ready.
So this should be easy then?
Yeah.
Oh, I am in complete crisis. Julie's making an involtini too, and I'm worried that I'm going to be compared to her.
Involtini's an Italian dish, and I'm Italian, so I'm really not worried.
You have 10 minutes. Time to panic. Go, 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 go!
I'm feeling the pressure. The pressure's on.
Okay, Alvin, who do you think is looking good?
You know, surprisingly, Kayla, because I'm not seeing a lot of spices. In her dish, I'm seeing spice. It's interesting. I really want to dig into that.
Danny is looking great. He's doing a chicken Valencia. It looked very rich and encouraging. I'm concerned about Danielle with her involtini. When she put the chicken into the hot pan, it shrunk and burst on her.
I told her about this. You have to tie it up. She said she was going to wrap it in bacon or something like that.
You know what Julie did? She did the same dish, but then she skewered it with the rosemary.
Julie is super cool. Danielle is getting crushed under the pressure.
There are a number of dishes that I see that aren't making it to the MasterChef standard. Bubba, a sandwich is just not good enough. Dale, he's doing chopped liver.
That's it? Just chopped liver.
Just chopped liver as a MasterChef dish.
Eric, I'm really concerned. He's a bit messy right now.
Still, 1 hour, and he pulled off pasta. That's impressive.
You know, he hasn't pulled it off yet.
This test can be won or lost in the final minutes, is my opinion.
I agree with you 100%.
I fixed my involtini by weighting it down.
It's not what I would serve at home, but I did what I could under the conditions.
1 minute. This is your final minute. You better be plating. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up.
Mike. Why did they call my name first? I must have really screwed up.
Burrito. Julie. Megan.
I have no idea what to think.
Josh.
I'm just hoping for the best right now.
Who in this group thinks that they have the commitment, the drive, and the talent to move ahead in this competition?
Based on this challenge, it is our feeling that all of you are absolutely right.
My mind is completely blown.
We're hugging, we're so emotional, but at the same time, I am eyeing every one of those people up thinking, you are next on my chopping block.